Pierce here from Stupid Simple Side Hustle. Did you know you can make over $5,000 or more per month using just simple 5-second silent videos? I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. You just gotta follow the right program with the right mentor. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it today. So stay tuned and give this a watch.
Now, one of the main struggles that I had when I was building my affiliate business was having to get on camera and actually make videos where I was uncomfortable speaking. Well, with this new system, I'm going to show you how to make videos without having to talk, but more importantly, how to actually make money with these silent videos. Now, the best part about that is you don't have to go and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on paid ads to start making money and building leads. With this system, it's easy, it's fast, and you can start with absolutely no following and without having to talk on camera.
And that's it. It's really that simple. Of course, you're going to do maybe a little bit more to it, but it really is that easy. All it takes is 20-30 minutes per day. So go ahead, click the Instagram link in my bio to learn more. You'll see a free training, free masterclass that you can watch, and you'll learn everything that you need to know on how to make $5,000 or more per month as an affiliate marketer using just 5-second simple silent videos. Go ahead and click that link, the Instagram link in my bio, and I'll see you there.